जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम् अहर्निशम्। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम् अहर्निशम्। जय गुरुदेवम्। धर्मोद्धारकं गीता प्रचारकं धर्मोद्धारकं गीता प्रचारकं आनन्दरूपं आत्मस्वरूपं आनन्दरूपं आत्मस्वरूपं। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम् अहर्निशम्। तामसंहारकम् उत्साहवर्धकं तामसंहारकम् उत्साहवर्धकं तपोवनशेषं तत्त्वस्वरूपं तपोवनशेषं तत्त्वस्वरूपं। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम् अहर्निशम्। प्रेमहृदयिनं परमविरागिणं प्रेमहृदयिनं परमविरागिणं सन्न्यासिनं गुरुं शिरसा नमाम्यहम् सन्न्यासिनं गुरुं शिरसा नमाम्यहम्। जय गुरुदेवं चिन्मयानन्दं प्रणमाम्यहं गुरुदेवम् अहर्निशम्। जय गुरुदेवं जय गुरुदेवम्।
दर्शन दो घनश्याम नाथ मोरी अखियाँ प्यासी रे। दर्शन दो घनश्याम नाथ मोरी अखियाँ प्यासी रे। दर्शन दो घनश्याम मन मंदिर की ज्योति जगा दो मन मंदिर की ज्योति जगा दो घट घट बासी रे। दर्शन दो घनश्याम दर्शन दो घनश्याम। पानी पीकर प्यास बुझाऊं, नैनन को कैसे समझाऊं। आँख में चोली छोड़ो अब तो मन के बासी रे। दर्शन दो घनश्याम नाथ मोरी अखियाँ प्यासी रे। दर्शन दो घनश्याम।
जगत जननी जगत कल्याणी, जगत जननी जगत कल्याणी, माता भवानी वाणी पद्मिनी, माता भवानी वाणी पद्मिनी, जगत जननी जगत कल्याणी, जगत जननी जगत कल्याणी। जगत कल्याणी।
जगदीश्वरी
हे मातृरूप महेश्वरी
हे मातृरूप महेश्वरी
हे मातृरूप महेश्वरी
हे मातृरूप महेश्वरी
ममतामयी करुणामयी
ममतामयी करुणामयी ममतामयी करुणामयी
हे मातृरूप
Today, on this auspicious day, we shall be performing the Guru Paduka Archana. Let us, with each name chanted, offer from our hearts whatever feelings and thoughts at His feet. Free ourselves from our own vasanas, impressions, and offer it at His feet so that all that He represents we see in our own hearts.
ॐ अजाय नमः ॐ अव्ययाय नमः ॐ अविनाशिने नमः ॐ अचिन्त्याय नमः ॐ अप्रमेयाय नमः ॐ अद्वितीयाय नमः ॐ अनिकेताय नमः ॐ अनुशासनप्रियाय नमः ॐ अन्तःसाक्षिणे नमः ॐ अन्तर्यामिने नमः ॐ आनन्दाय नमः ॐ आत्मस्वरूपाय नमः ॐ आङ्ग्लभाषाविदुत्तमाय नमः ॐ ईश्वराय नमः ॐ उदारहृदयाय नमः ॐ उत्साहवर्धकाय नमः ॐ एकस्मै नमः ॐ ओङ्कारविदे नमः ॐ करुणासागराय नमः ॐ कर्मपरायणाय नमः ॐ कालातीताय नमः ॐ कैवल्यस्वरूपाय नमः ॐ कृतात्मने नमः ॐ कृतकृत्याय नमः ॐ गीताज्ञानयज्ञप्रचारकाय नमः ॐ गुरवे नमः ॐ गुणातीताय नमः ॐ ग्रन्थकृते नमः ॐ चिन्मयाय नमः ॐ छिन्नसंशयाय नमः ॐ जगदात्मने नमः ॐ जगत्साक्षिणे नमः ॐ जनप्रियाय नमः ॐ जितेन्द्रियाय नमः ॐ जीवब्रह्मैक्यविदे नमः ॐ जीवन्मुक्ताय नमः ॐ जीर्णमन्दिरोद्धारकाय नमः ॐ तपोवनशिष्याय नमः ॐ तपस्विने नमः। ॐ तापनाशनाय नमः। ॐ तीर्थस्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ तेजस्विने नमः। ॐ देहातीताय नमः। ॐ द्वन्द्वातीताय नमः। ॐ दृढनिश्चयाय नमः। ॐ धर्मसंस्थापकाय नमः। ॐ धीमते नमः। ॐ धीराय नमः। ॐ धैर्यप्रदाय नमः। ॐ नारायणाय नमः। ॐ निजानन्दाय नमः। ॐ निरपेक्षाय नमः। ॐ निःस्पृहाय नमः। ॐ निरुपमाय नमः। ॐ निर्विकल्पाय नमः। ॐ नित्याय नमः। ॐ निरञ्जनाय नमः। ॐ परमाय नमः। ॐ परब्रह्मणे नमः। ॐ पावनाय नमः। ॐ पावकाय नमः। ॐ पुरुषोत्तमाय नमः। ॐ प्रसन्नात्मने नमः। ॐ फलासक्तिरहिताय नमः। ॐ बहुभक्ताय नमः। ॐ बन्धमोचकाय नमः। ॐ ब्रह्मनिष्ठाय नमः। ॐ ब्रह्मपराय नमः। ॐ भयनाशनाय नमः। ॐ भारतगौरवाय नमः। ॐ भूम्ने नमः। ॐ महावाक्योपदेशकाय नमः। ॐ महर्षये नमः। ॐ मधुरस्वभावाय नमः। ॐ मनोहराय नमः। ॐ महात्मने नमः। ॐ मेधाविने नमः। ॐ यतात्मने नमः। ॐ यज्ञकृते नमः। ॐ लोकप्रसिद्धाय नमः। ॐ वाग्मिने नमः। ॐ विभवे नमः। ॐ विनोदप्रियाय नमः। ॐ विनयशीलाय नमः। ॐ वीतरागाय नमः। ॐ वेदान्तवेद्याय नमः। ॐ शान्ताय नमः। ॐ शान्तिप्रदाय नमः। ॐ शास्त्रोद्धारकाय नमः। ॐ शुद्धसत्त्वाय नमः। ॐ श्रुतिपारगाय नमः। ॐ श्रोत्रियाय नमः। ॐ सन्न्यासिने नमः। ॐ समबुद्धये नमः। ॐ सच्चिदानन्दाय नमः। ॐ सर्वहितचिन्तकाय नमः। ॐ सत्यसङ्कल्पाय नमः। ॐ सन्तुष्टाय नमः। ॐ साधवे नमः। ॐ सुमनसे नमः। ॐ सुहृदे नमः। ॐ स्वयं ज्योतिषे नमः। ॐ स्थितप्रज्ञाय नमः। ॐ क्षमाशीलाय नमः। ॐ ज्ञानमूर्तये नमः। ॐ ज्ञानयोगिने नमः। ॐ ज्ञानतृप्ताय नमः। ॐ नित्यशुद्धबुद्धमुक्तस्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ नित्यशुद्धबुद्धमुक्तस्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ नित्यशुद्धबुद्धमुक्तस्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ श्रीचिन्मयसद्गुरवे नमः।
गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है, मेरे जीवन का अवलंबन है। बस एक यही मेरा बल है, बस एक यही मेरा बल है। गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा। अज्ञान भरे संशय से भरे विपरीत विचारों से भी भरे, अज्ञान भरे संशय से भरे विपरीत विचारों से भी भरे, मन के अंधकार को दूर करे वचनामृत से तव बोध कृपा। मन के अंधकार को दूर करे वचनामृत से तव बोध कृपा। गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा। गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा, गुरुदेव तव महनीय कृपा।
आरति श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की। आरति सद्गुरु की। चरणों में उनके शांति समाये, शरणागत की भ्रांति मिटाए। पाप ताप संताप हरण की। आरति श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की। आरति सद्गुरु की। वेद उपनिषद गीता को गाया, धर्म सनातन फिर से जगाया। शुद्ध नीति प्रीति शंकर की। आरति श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की। आरति सद्गुरु की। सिद्ध बाड़ी की तपोभूमि में नित्य विराजे गुरु हमारे। भक्त हृदय आनंद स्रोत की। आरति श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की। आरति श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरु की। दिव्य रूप मूर्ति करुणा की। आरति सद्गुरु की। आरति सद्गुरु की।
धित्त धीम तत 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 धित्त धीम धित्त धीम तत 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 धीम तत दिदितै 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 தத்தரிகிட்டோம் 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 दिदितै 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 தத்தரிகிட்டோம் 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 दिदितै 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 தத்தரிகிட்டோம் 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 दिदितै 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 தத்தரிகிட்டோம் 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 दिदितै 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 தத்தரிகிட்டோம் 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 दिदितै 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 धित्तै तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों
आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदा अनुवर्तते आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदा अनुवर्तते
ताहत्तजं तरि तत्तहत्तजं तरि ताहत्तजं तरि तत्तहत्तजं ताहत्तजं तरि तत्तहत्तजं तरि ताहत्तजं तरि तत्तहत्तजं तरि ताहत्तजं तरि तत्तहत्तजं तरि ताहत्तजं तत्तहत्तजं तरि तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों
यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदा अनुवर्तते यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदा अनुवर्तते
झम 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 तरि कुकुंदरि कुकुंदरि 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 तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों
यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदा अनुवर्तते यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदा अनुवर्तते
सा किडतक दई किडतक दादा किडतक दई दई किडतक सा किडतक दई किडतक दादा किडतक दई दई किडतक सा किडतक दई किडतक दादा किडतक दई दई किडतक सा किडतक दई किडतक दादा किडतक दई दई किडतक सा किडतक दई किडतक दादा किडतक दई दई किडतक सा किडतक दई किडतक दादा किडतक दई दई किडतक सा किडतक दई किडतक दादा किडतक दई दई किडतक तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों
यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदा अनुवर्तते यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदा अनुवर्तते
ता धीं ता तत धीं ता 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 तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों
यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदा अनुवर्तते यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत्प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकस्तदा अनुवर्तते
तक तकिट तक तकिट तक तकिट धित्ता तक तकिट तक तकिट तक तकिट धित्ता तक तकिट तक तकिट तक तकिट धित्ता तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों तत्तरिगिडतों
यद्यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठः तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः
तौ
यद् यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठा तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकसदा अनुवर्तते यद् यद् आचरति श्रेष्ठा तत्तद्देवेतरो जनः स यत् प्रमाणं कुरुते लोकसदा अनुवर्तते हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि ओम हरि
ॐ कृतात्मने नमः। ॐ यज्ञकृते नमः।
To turn our discriminating intellect on to ourselves for a critical study and analysis of ourselves. Vedanta helps to turn to ourselves. We have our body, mind and intellect as our three equipments of experiences through which life constantly pulsates.
On this very special occasion, Chinmaya Mission is organizing an online global Gyan Yajna or discourses by Pujya Gurudev himself.
Hari, you are wearing a sari. You are an Indian.
Where do I put my shoe?
Good question. Put it on your head.
I'm not gonna do that. Yeah.
All our camera people, all over. Children, tell me a story. Yeah.
I don't know.
Come on.
I know 3 little pigs.
What is that? Pig story. I love that.
कर्मपरायणाय नमः।
Arjuna wants to follow the path of knowledge, and Krishna says, no, 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 this is not meant for you. This is halwa, this is not meant for you. You have sugar, you are sugar patient, don't touch it. Earth, water, fire, air, ether, mind, intellect, ego, egoism. All the 8 things are apara. Apara. The 9th one is para. Higher. Para means higher.
शास्त्रोद्धारकाय नमः।
कथं पुनः स्वरूपे व्यापार अभावे शास्त्रस्य द्वैत विज्ञान निवर्तकत्वम्।
श्रियः पञ्चदशं च श्रीकामः सततं पशुं बहुपुत्रलाभं शतसंवत्सरकालमवतु अवतु माम् अवतु भक्तारम्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
शुद्धबुद्धमुक्तस्वरूपाय नमः।
That is true in every science. Without the discipline of physics you will not understand. Without the discipline of mathematics, how can I understand mathematics? Similarly, without the spiritual discipline, we cannot withdraw our attention of the mind and intellect from the world of OET.
गुरुचरणाम्बुज निर्भर भक्ता, गुरुचरणाम्बुज निर्भर भक्ता, संसाराद् चिराद् भवमुक्ता। गुरुचरणाम्बुज निर्भर भक्ता, संसाराद् चिराद् भवमुक्ता। सेन्द्रिय मनस नियमादेवं
our guiding light is our Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda. Chinmayanandam is the auspicious name of the newly acquired land adjacent to our Chinmaya Mission, Washington Regional Center. Chinmayanandam means pure consciousness, bliss absolute. Gurudev's grace is vividly seen from the very beginning of getting this wonderland of 17.8 acres. The discussions for acquiring the land started during Gurudev's glorious birth centenary celebrations. Gurudev's glory made the entire Chinmaya family of Washington, D.C. identify with the auspicious wonderland Chinmayanandam. In a matter of months, like magical moments, Washington, D.C. Chinmaya family contributed the required funds to acquire the precious property Chinmayanandam. We all know that Gurudev's quest took him to Swami Shivanandaji Maharaj, who is the Sannyasa Diksha Guru of our Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda. To mark the remarkable glory of Swami Shivanandaji Maharaj, our Chinmaya family enthusiastically envisioned an enchanting trail in Chinmayanandam with Swami Shivananda's lilting song of 18 steps to immortality. Now we can always enjoy the celestial song of Swami Shivanandaji Maharaj when we joyfully walk through the enchanting trail in Chinmayanandam. Hari Om.
You are the master of your destiny. Courage is thy birthright, but not fear. Peace is thy divine heritage, but not restlessness. Immortality is thy birthright, but not mortality. Strength, but not weakness. Health, but not disease. Bliss, but not sorrow. Knowledge, but not ignorance. Pain, sorrow, and ignorance are illusory. These cannot live. Bliss, joy, and knowledge are true, they cannot die. You are the architect of your own fate.
Om Namo Narayana Hari Om Namo Narayana Om Namo Narayana Narayana Om Namo Narayana Om Namo Narayana Hari Om Namo Narayana Om Namo Narayana Narayana Om Namo Narayana. Serenity, regularity, absence of vanity, sincerity, simplicity, veracity, equanimity, fixity, non-irritability. Om Namo Narayana Hari Om Namo Narayana Hari Om Namo Narayana Narayana Om Namo Narayana. Adaptability, humility, tenacity, integrity, nobility, magnanimity, charity, generosity, purity. Om Namo practice daily these 18 of these, you will soon attain immortality. Brahman is the only real entity. Mr. So-and-so is a false non-entity. You will abide in eternity and infinity. You will behold unity in diversity. You cannot attain this in the university. You can attain this in the forest university. Om Namo Narayana. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana. Hari Om Namo Narayana. Om Namo Narayana Narayana. Om Namo Narayana.
Chinmaya family is also contemplating upon making the lofty pathway in Chinmayanandam to experience the majestic presence of Himavat Vibhuti, Swami Tapovanji Maharaj, who is the Vedanta Shiksha Guru of our Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda. May the divine grace and blessings of the entire Guru Parampara flow through us to everyone around us. Namah Paramarishibhyo, Namah Paramarishibhyaha. Gange Har Hara, Jai Jai Jagadishvara. Hari Om.
चिन्मयं शशिशेखरं परमानन्दं गुरुमाश्रये चिन्मयं शशिशेखरं परमानन्दं गुरुमाश्रये
That great master who liberates us from all limitations, that master who does not bind us in any way, that is our Guru. And Pujya Gurudev used to tell us that the physical form of the Guru will not remain with us. But that knowledge, that truth, those ideals, principles which are to be our sadhana, that on which the Guru stood, those padukas will remain with us to inspire us, to remind us of those teachings, guide us, and make us feel His presence. The beautiful Guru Paduka Stotram has been commented by none other than Pujya Guruji Swami Tejomayananda. And that commentary is now available in a book format. I have great joy as well as the privilege of releasing this book, Sri Guru Paduka Stotram. It's been a very, very dear stotram to many of us, and its deep significance, and most important, how it instills that Shraddha, Bhakti and Dhyana, faith, devotion, and that constant remembrance, meditation and surrender at the feet of the Guru. May we all revel in it. Hari Om. Hari Om. On this auspicious day of Gurudev's Mahasamadhi, I am happy to announce the launch of a new program that strives to fulfill another important need of the community. This program is the training of Hindu chaplains, otherwise called as spiritual care providers. Chaplains can serve the Chinmaya family as well as the larger community by helping people who are facing challenges such as illnesses and loss. Chaplains can also serve as spiritual ambassadors in colleges, schools and interfaith forums. Chinmaya Vishwa Vidyapeeth, our Chinmaya University, is launching a certificate in Hindu chaplaincy program, starting with the Introduction Chaplaincy course in January 2022. Chinmaya Mission Centers can encourage their members who have a strong spiritual foundation and practice to take this online course in January. It will give the initial preparation to serve your community in meaningful and versatile ways. For more information, follow the slide that comes up. Gurudev's blessings with us as we serve the world. Hari Om. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurureva Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Chinmayam Vyapiyat Sarvam, Trailokyam Sacharacharam, Tatpadam Darshitam Yena, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om. Guru is the means. Guru shows us the way, and Guru is the goal or the destination we are trying to reach. The scriptures have made it very clear. Na guror adhikam tattvam. There is no reality other than or greater than the Guru. Because the Guru who is identified with the Tattva, the truth, is the living embodiment, the living evidence of truth. Na guror adhikam tattvam, na guror adhikam tapaha. Other than following the instructions of the teacher, the teaching, the advice of the teacher. To imbibe those teachings, service of the teacher, and most important, that devotion by which there is that complete love, surrender, and attunement with the Guru is the highest tapas, which is so easily, so lovingly, so effortlessly gained by just bringing our minds to the Guru, to the feet of the Guru, with utter humility. Na guror adhikam tapaha. There is no greater meditation, there is no greater austerity than bringing our mind to rest at the feet of the teacher, and no means of purity than service of the teacher. And as Gurudev would say, service of the teacher means following the instruction, for the teacher wants nothing but our own well-being. Tattva jnanat param nasti. And that knowledge of the truth revealed by the Guru, there is no greater knowledge, there is no greater gain, for through that is the gain of the infinite in the form of the discovery of the ever-existent, present, conscious bliss, our own essential nature, and one who reveals it to us, one who himself is that, and one who shows us that we are also that. To that Sri Guru, our prostrations, our surrender, our adorations. It was in Washington, D.C., when Pujya Gurudev was leaving for San Diego, that a child asked Gurudev, "When will I see you again?" And Gurudev said, "Look into your heart. You will find me there." And these words of the Guru, for the Guru speaks only the truth. We have to only enter the deepest recesses of our heart, and there who we will find is our Guru, who is Brahma, who is Vishnu, who is Maheshwara, who is none other than the supreme conscious bliss, the Parabrahma Paramatma. Whenever Pujya Gurudev spoke, and very often if he was asked about his Guru Sri Taponji Maharaj, he would only say, "Gurudev, Sri Taponji Maharaj is Brahman, and Brahman cannot be described in words," and he would become silent. Very often we would question him, we would ask him, this eloquent master with his eyes moistened, as though his glance penetrating to the beyond, would become silent. Very often even I tried, but he would just keep quiet. And if you insisted, he would say, "Gurudev is Brahman, and Brahman yato vacho nivartante aprapya manasa saha," where the mind and intellect, speech, mind and intellect go there but return back, because never becomes an object of their perception or their knowledge. That truth, how can it ever be indicated by words? It is only to be realized in meditation, in the silence of our heart. Let us today together enter that sacred temple where he resides as the ever conscious, blissful presence. And that temple is your body. That sanctum sanctorum is your heart. Let us together meet Him in this sacred temple. Wherever you are, sit straight with maximum base, whether you're sitting on the ground with your legs crossed or sitting on a chair but with your back, neck and head in a straight line, erect. Your shoulders relaxed, and let it, just let it relax. Close your eyes gently. Feel that wonderful sense of relaxation when a child is in the secure, comfortable, and loving arms of the mother. Just relax. Take in silent but a long, deep breath. Feel that cool air enter through your nostrils and filling every cell of your body with scintillating energy. Breathe in and gently breathe out, letting all the toxins that have been in the body, in the process of its activities, effortlessly with the breath go out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, breathe in. Breathe out. Continue to do it on your own. And any discomfort or any emotions you're holding on to, fear or anticipation, without analyzing, without classifying, without condemning. As you breathe out, just let it flow away from you. All those unwanted emotions. Empty your heart of this uncomfortable feelings and thoughts. For there, we want to meet our beloved Guru, our beloved Lord. Observe this body as a beautiful temple There's a flight of steps to the base and a beautiful door. Gurudev has promised that I will be standing there for you, waiting, and will not enter till I have taken each one of you with me. See that beautiful, majestic image of Gurudev, or feel the presence standing at the doorway of the temple, calling you within. Feel that irresistible, attractive force that makes you climb up those steps. And as you reach the doorway, bow down to his feet. See his lotus feet. Standing on those wooden padukas. And as you look up to him, his loving, compassionate glance from his powerful penetrating eyes, full of love and compassion. His gentle smile beckoning you to come with him within. The Guru is with us every step. Guru mere sang sada hai naal. And as you walk in, you may at first see the inside as just dark. Neither see him or you, but feel his presence beside you, or him holding you. Start walking, and you shall find, as though with his presence, with every step, lamps starts glowing, lamps start glowing and glittering, and the path becomes clearer and clearer. And as you walk within, the path lit by the many lamps that he seems to be lighting as he takes his steps forward. The many lamps of knowledge. As though every word of the scriptures that you have heard, that he has uttered, its meaning is lit in you. Tearing the darkness of ignorance. And as you come to the Sanctum Sanctorum, in the very throne of your heart, on that beautiful asana, in that beautiful asana, which is studded with shining jewels, cushioned with velvet, request Gurudev to sit on that asana. And place under his feet a thali softened by the most beautiful and fragrant flowers. And there at his feet, offer with love, one by one, remembering whatever you know, whatever you have felt, whatever you have gained, whether his various names that indicate or describe him, or just what you feel and recognize of him. Call him out with love and offer the flower. Om Shri Chinmaya Satgurave Namaha. Om Shri Chinmaya Satgurave Namaha. Just chant in your heart. And just revel in his presence till you are so enveloped with that love that words cease, duality ends, and that infinite awareness bliss that my Guru is, Chinmayananda, alone is. In that silence, neither me nor you, just that supreme love. Om Shri Chinmaya Satgurave Namaha. 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 Om Shri Chinmaya Satgurave नमः। ॐ श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे 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 नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Every day like this you can sit, offer whatever is in your heart. Speak whatever you want to speak. Ask whatever questions you have. And when all of them cease, just be in His quiet presence and dissolve in His supreme, infinite blissful love. समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं Satgurum Brahmavidvaram Tvameva Mata cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva Tvameva Sarvam Mama Deva Deva. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhinah Sarve Santu Niramayah Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu Ma Kaschit Dukkha Bhag Bhavet. Let me carry your love and happiness. For the happiness and well-being of everyone in all my actions, transactions, relationships. Asato ma satgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.
ചിന്മയം ശശിശേഖരം പരമാനന്ദം ഗുരുമാശ്രയേ. ചിന്മയം ശശിശേഖരം പരമാനന്ദം ഗുരുമാശ്രയേ. ജ്ഞാനയജ്ഞപ്രചാരകം ഭവഭേഷജം ഗുരുമാശ്രയേ. ജ്ഞാനയജ്ഞപ്രചാരകം ഭവഭേഷജം ഗുരുമാശ്രയേ. സിദ്ധവാടി വിരാജിതം പരിപാലകം ഗുരുമാശ്രയേ. സിദ്ധവാടി വിരാജിതം പരിപാലകം ഗുരുമാശ്രയേ. ചിന്മയം ശശിശേഖരം പരമാനന്ദം ഗുരുമാശ്രയേ. ചിന്മയം ശശിശേഖരം പരമാനന്ദം ഗുരുമാശ്രയേ. സത്യജ്ഞാനപ്രബോധകം സർവസിദ്ധിരൂപകമാശ്രയേ. സത്യജ്ഞാനപ്രബോധകം സർവസിദ്ധിരൂപകമാശ്രയേ. ശാസ്ത്രസാഗരതത്വജം ശ്രീതപോവനാത്മജമാശ്രയേ. ശാസ്ത്രസാഗരതത്വജം ശ്രീതപോവനാത്മജമാശ്രയേ. ചിന്മയം ശശിശേഖരം പരമാനന്ദം ഗുരുമാശ്രയേ. ചിന്മയം ശശിശേഖരം പരമാനന്ദം